Hello friends, welcome to our channel Enjard. I am creating a video series on how to set up your own server at home. So please check out our channel and subscribe so that you do not miss any future videos. For this tutorial, make sure that your laptop is connected to an AC power source and an Ethernet cable with a good internet connection. Also, I am using a pen drive which has an Ubuntu Server OS image installed. If you are interested in creating your home server, you can start from our first video in the series. Our first video was based on how to enable remote access to your own router. In this video, we'll go through step by step on installing Ubuntu Server OS version 18.4 on a laptop. Let's quickly check our system specs before shutting the windows for the last time. On this laptop, I have a Intel Core i5 4th generation processor with 9 GB of RAM installed on it. So it's a very old laptop which I'm not using as my primary device. That is why I've decided to create a server on this one. So without further delay, let's close out all the windows and quickly shut down our Windows laptop. Now I'm turning on my computer, going to my boot device options. Here I will select my storage media, that is a Sony pen drive. So while the installation is loading, please take out some time to subscribe to our channel. Or if you want me to create more videos on any technical topics, you can comment down below. I will be making more technical videos in the future. So this is the first step in the installation process. We have to select a language. I'm going to select English. Next you will have to select the keyboard configuration. I'm going to go with the defaults now. This is a tricky yet a simple step. If you have a MAAS bare metal cloud account, you can select the second or third option. MAAS is metal as a service. Running on Ubuntu, it lets you treat a physical server like virtual machines in the cloud. Rather than having to manage each server individually, MAAS turns your bare metal into an elastic cloud-like resource. So it's a very long process to register and configure MAAS. For now, we are going to go with the default option of installing Ubuntu Server OS. On the next step, you have to check your network connection. If you are already connected and your internet is working, just go with the default. If you're working on a proxy internet connection, then you can configure your proxy server in this step. I don't have any, so I'm going to go with the default. Mostly for advanced users, it is asking for mirror address of any alternate Ubuntu installations. Same, just go with the defaults. In the file system setup, the installer can guide you through partitioning an entire disk either directly or using the LVM, or if you prefer, you can do it manually. Please bear in mind, however you choose to install Ubuntu server, you cannot retain any other OS in the same hard drive. So if you are having a Windows operating system or any other operating system installed on the same hard drive, all of those OSs and the data will get formatted. I'm going to choose the first option, use an entire disk. So do make a backup of all your earlier important data somewhere else. Here I'm going to choose the easiest option to format the hard drive. If you want me to explore more complicated options using LVM, please do comment in the comment box section and I'll make a new video just for your request. You can also choose to create your own partition sizes. I'm just gonna go with my defaults. Here on the profile setup page, you can choose your name, your server name, your password, your username, etc. One thing to keep in mind, please do not forget your password. If you forget it, you'll have to reinstall everything from the scratch. Here you can also see that the installation is already in progress, so your profile setup is going on in the background. Featured server snaps is a list of third-party server profiles which you can install or remove according to your choice. Just use the space bar to select or deselect the server snaps and use enter to go into the details of each package. On the next screen you'll see the installation log. This might take some time depending on your server configuration, your hardware resources, the internet speed, etc. You can also go to the view full log options to see all the logs. After everything finishes, just hit the enter button to close, and on the next screen again hit the enter button to restart. Now the system will boot up again and it will ask to remove the installation medium. So just remove your pen drive and hit enter. So congratulations, now your Ubuntu server is installed and you can now log in with your username and password which you set earlier. You can use your same password to log in to the root shell also. So that's it for today's video. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more technical topics and bye bye.